We are Pass and Go Driving School.
And this is an introduction to your Part 3 of approved driving instructor training.
What is ADI Part 3? Part 3 is the third of 3 tests you must pass in order to become an ADI. It is a practical test. The examiner will observe you giving a client-centered driving lesson to one of your pupils for around 45 minutes.
At the start of your lesson, you should discuss goals and risk management with your pupil, which should take no longer than 3 minutes. The pupil must drive for around 40 minutes of the lesson. You are allowed to stop safely during the lesson to provide immediate feedback if necessary. You cannot use the entire lesson to teach a single manoeuvre, but you can do a brief recap of a manoeuvre taught in a previous lesson. The pupil should have no more than 3 minutes to reflect on their performance at the end of the lesson.
Your car. On the day of your test, you will need to bring your UK driving licence and a suitable car. Your car must be fitted with dual controls, have no warning lights, have no tyre damage and meet the legal tread depth on each tyre. Your car must not be fitted with a space-saver spare wheel. Your car must be roadworthy. It must be fitted with an extra interior rear view mirror, a passenger seat belt and a passenger head restraint for yourself, the pupil and the examiner. Your car must have 4 wheels and reach the authorised mass limit. It must be able to reach at least 62 miles per hour and have a miles per hour speedometer. And finally, your car must be taxed, MOT'd and insured for an ADI Part 3 test. If your car does not meet these standards, your test will be cancelled. You should tidy and clean your car before your test. This includes removing any rubbish or unnecessary items from the dashboard, footwells, door pockets, cup holders and seats. You cannot smoke in your car before or during the test.
How will the test be graded? You'll be graded on 17 areas of competence that are grouped into 3 categories: lesson planning, risk management, teaching and learning strategies. The examiner will give you a score between 0 to 3 for each competency. At the end of the test, the examiner will calculate a total score to determine whether you have passed.
A score between 30 to 42 is a grade B, which is the minimum pass mark. A score between 43 to 51 is a grade A. If you pass, you'll be able to join the ADI register and apply for your ADI badge.
It is important to review ADI Part 3 test form to ensure that you understand each of the 17 competencies that you'll be graded on. The form is linked in the description.
Frequently asked questions. Can I take the test with a dash cam or other camera fitted in my car? You can use a fitted camera for insurance purposes as long as it does not record video or audio inside of the car. The camera must be facing outside.
What if my car has additional features? You can use a car with an electric park and brake or hill start assist.
Can I take the test using a hire car? You can take the test using a hire car, but only if it is fitted with dual controls and meets the standards.
Do I have to take the test in a manual car? If you have a manual licence, you can teach and take a test using either a manual or an automatic transmission. If you have an automatic licence, you can teach and take the test using only an automatic transmission.
What if I fail my test? If you fail the first or second attempt, you can take the test again. You must book the third attempt within 2 years of passing the ADI Part 1 test. If you fail the final attempt, you'll need to retake the ADI Part 1 and 2 test waiting 2 years from the date you passed the initial ADI Part 1 test. The primary reason people fail the ADI Part 3 test is a result of inconsistent and unreliable training. At Pass and Go, we offer a minimum of 2 hours additional training per week to support you and increase your chances of passing your ADI Part 3 test.
Trainee licence. With a trainee licence, you'll have access to weekly support from your trainer, helping you gain the experience and practice you require to pass your Part 3 test.
For more information on how to become a driving instructor, you can visit our website or contact us at findyourhappy@passandgo.net.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.